The year 1963, U.S. President John F. Kennedy is assassinated in Dallas in an open-top car. At the March on Washington, civil rights activist Martin Luther King holds his most famous speech, "I Have a Dream." The desert epic Lawrence of Arabia, starring Peter O'Toole in the leading role, writes film history. And at the Turin Motor Show, the first Lamborghini is presented, the 350 GT. Lamborghini, each model bred with the power of the infuriated animal struggle. Always angry, always radical, and seemingly not of this world. Too fast, too powerful, and uncontrollable.